3 Magic Words to Enlightenment, a Beginner's Guide to Spiritual Practices. Welcome to our YouTube video on the transformative journey towards enlightenment. In this captivating exploration, we will uncover the essence of spiritual practices and reveal 3 magic words that serve as a beginner's guide to unlocking profound states of awareness and understanding. Embark on this enlightening journey with us, as we delve into the depths of consciousness and discover the keys to inner growth and fulfillment. Understanding enlightenment. Enlightenment is a state of profound wisdom, clarity, and inner peace that transcends ordinary human experiences. It is the culmination of spiritual growth, leading to a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all beings and the universe. Achieving enlightenment is a universal aspiration, sought after by many cultures and traditions throughout history. 2. The power of spiritual practices. Spiritual practices serve as the foundation for one's journey towards enlightenment. These practices are designed to cultivate self-awareness, mindfulness, and a connection with the divine or universal consciousness. They are powerful tools that help us navigate the complexities of life and open the door to higher states of being. Meditation. Meditation is a fundamental practice on the path to enlightenment. It involves quieting the mind, focusing on the present moment, and gaining insight into the nature of thoughts and emotions. Through consistent meditation, individuals can access inner stillness and clarity, allowing them to tap into their true nature beyond the ego. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in each moment, cultivating awareness without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, we develop the ability to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting entangled in them. This practice enhances our capacity to respond to life's challenges with equanimity and compassion. Self-reflection. Self-reflection is a process of introspection and self-inquiry. It involves examining our beliefs, behaviors, and patterns of thinking. Through self-reflection, we gain insight into our conditioned responses and can consciously choose to align ourselves with higher values and intentions. 3. The 3 magic words. Within the realm of spiritual practices, there are 3 magic words that encapsulate the essence of enlightenment and guide us towards profound transformation. Acceptance. Acceptance is the first magic word. It involves embracing reality as it is, without resistance or judgment. When we accept ourselves, others, and the circumstances of life, we release the emotional burden of attachment and aversion. Acceptance paves the way for inner peace and frees us from the shackles of suffering. Surrender. Surrender is the second magic word. It invites us to let go of the illusion of control and trust in the greater intelligence of the universe. Surrender does not imply passivity, rather, it is an act of relinquishing our ego's grip and aligning ourselves with the flow of life. Through surrender, we open ourselves to grace and invite higher guidance. Love. Love is the third magic word. Unconditional love is the ultimate force that transcends boundaries and unites all beings. When we cultivate love for ourselves and extend it to others, we dissolve separation and experience the interconnectedness of all existence. Love is the key that unlocks the door to enlightenment, as it dissolves ego-driven desires and fosters compassion and unity. 4. Incorporating the magic words into daily life. Enlightenment is not a distant goal but a continuous journey that unfolds in each moment. Integrating the 3 magic words, acceptance, surrender, and love, into our daily lives can create a profound shift in our consciousness and lead us closer to enlightenment. Practicing acceptance. Embrace life's challenges as opportunities for growth. Release the need for external validation and approval. Cultivate self-compassion and forgive past mistakes. Embracing surrender. Let go of rigid expectations and outcomes. Trust the process of life and allow things to unfold naturally. Find peace in relinquishing the need to control every situation. Nurturing love. Practice loving-kindness meditation to cultivate compassion. Express gratitude and appreciation for the people and experiences in your life. Extend acts of kindness to others and create a ripple effect of love. Embarking on the journey towards enlightenment is a profound and transformative endeavor. By embracing the 3 magic words, acceptance, surrender, and love, we can navigate the path of spiritual practices with grace and purpose. As beginners on this path, we have the opportunity to lay the foundation for a life of greater awareness, fulfillment, and interconnectedness. Let us remember that enlightenment is not a destination but a continuous evolution of consciousness, and with dedication and practice, we can awaken to our true nature and experience the magic of enlightenment in our lives. Please like, share, and subscribe.